In today's video, we'll walk you through a practical hotel reservation conversation, perfect for improving your English speaking skills. Whether you're planning a trip or simply looking to enhance your everyday English, this dialogue will equip you with essential phrases and vocabulary. Let's dive right in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Hello.
Good morning. How can I assist you?
I would like to book a room, please.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. May I have your name, please?
My name is Alex Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. When will you be checking in?
I'll be arriving on the 20th of September and checking out on the 24th.
Great! That's 4 nights. For how many people?
There are 2 of us.
What type of room are you looking for? We have single, double, and suites available.
I'd like a double room, please.
Wonderful choice. And would you prefer a smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
Noted. Let me check our availability. Yes, we have a double non-smoking room available for those dates. The rate is $120 per night. Is that acceptable to you?
Yes, that sounds fine.
Your reservation is now confirmed. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Now, it's time to put what we've learned into practice. Repeat after me. I would like to make a reservation for a hotel room, please. There are 5 of us. Fantastic, you're doing great. Now, let's move on to the next one. When are you planning to check in? We'll arrive on July 24th. Excellent, keep it up. Let's practice another one. We'll be checking out on 28th of July. Well done! Remember to practice these phrases regularly to build your confidence and fluency. Don't be shy. Speaking out loud is a key part of language learning.